Welcome to AliCenturyReview.com. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best electric dirt bikes available on Aliexpress that won't break the bank. Whether you're an adrenaline junkie or simply looking for an eco-friendly mode of transportation, these bikes have got you covered. From powerful motors to sleek designs, there's something for every rider.
Hello everyone, my name is Olia. I'm from the Akez bike factory. Guys, today arrived our new sample. I will give you the introduce our e-motorbike sample. Come with me.
Jet Armor electric dirt bike is a game changer in the world of electric motocross bikes. This cutting-edge electric dirt bike is a true representation of peak power, delivering an unparalleled riding experience on the trails. The bike boasts a maximum power output of 20,000 watts, reaching speeds of up to 85 miles per hour. The bike features a 72-volt 70 Aussie ATL lithium battery. This allows for a distance per charge of 105 miles. The dirt bike is equipped with a fast swappable battery, which can be replaced in just 60 seconds. Jet Armor, the electric dirt bike that defines excellence. Admit Jet Armor electric dirt bike is a game changer in the world of electric motocross bikes. This cutting-edge electric dirt bike is a true representation of peak power, delivering an unparalleled riding experience on the trails. The bike boasts a maximum power output of 20,000 watts, reaching speeds of up to 85 miles per hour. The bike features a 72-volt 70 Aussie ATL lithium battery. This allows for a distance per charge of 105 miles. The dirt bike is equipped with a fast swappable battery, which can be replaced in just 60 seconds. Admit Jet Armor, the electric dirt bike that defines excellence.
They're selling this thing as halfway between a dirt bike and a mountain bike experience, and that's not a bad analogy. Think of it as a mountain bike, and it's a monster of a thing that makes uphills feel like downhills and generates truly terrifying speeds on a flat trail. Think of it as a dirt bike, and it's lighter, more physical to ride. It's totally silent, and it doesn't tear the tracks up as much, so it's not going to annoy your neighbours. The 9-speed sequential shift gearbox takes derailleurs and chain tensioners right out of the picture, so with